Shifting focus is one way of moving between the separate Premiere windows without having to use your mouse. So right now you can see all my clips are listed here. If I wanted to jump to the timeline without using my mouse, I'd press Shift 3. So the way I have it set up in the standard way is that's 1, that's 2, 3, and 4. So let's say you're working on, you had some effects open, you were working on there, you want to go back to your timeline, you can easily just jump there. So it's very easy to kind of move between there with these, and definitely makes it easier if you're looking at a clip here and then suddenly want to jump over to the timeline and start scrubbing through there, then you don't have to use your mouse, and it's a faster way of doing it.